topic is a very, very important topic, that is read-only memory. So what is read-only memory? So what is read-only memory? So it is a volatile or non-volatile? Hello? ROM is a volatile or non-volatile?
Non-volatile.
Non-volatile. So why we will use ROM is, so ROM is a essentially memory device. Why? Because it will store the data, that is binary information, it is stored in a permanently, that is non-volatile. When the power is also, the data is not lost. So that's why we have to use a read-only memory. So read-only memory is essentially a memory device in which it stores the data permanently. So here it consists of k address inputs and n data outputs. This is the ROM block diagram, that is read-only memory. So here the number of words in a ROM is determined from the k address input lines are needed to specify 2 power k words. If you have to specify 2 power k words, it requires how many k input address lines? So here, for example, k input is nothing but k value is 3. How many words it will require means 2 power 3 is nothing but 8 words. So here the number of words in a ROM you have to determine by using the k address input lines. If k address input lines are there, we have to need to specify 2 power k words. This is the ROM block diagram. You have to pass the k address input lines and it will produce the n outputs, that is nothing but data. You have to produce the address, it will produce the data, that is output. You have to give k address input lines. Totally how many words it specify? 2 power k words, that is 2 power k by n. So here we have to consider one example, that is 32 by 8 ROM. 32 by 8 ROM you have to draw. This is the logic diagram for a simple statement. For example, you have to take 32 by 8 ROM. You have to draw the logic diagram, that is internal logic diagram for that statement, 32 by 8 ROM. That means this unit consists of how many words in this statement? 32 words. 32 words. Each word can contain how many bits here? 8 bits. So we have to construct the 32 by 8 ROM. So how many words here? 32 words. Here there is no need to specify the address lines. You have to analyze for 32 words how many address lines are there. So 32 words and each word can contain 8 bits each. Each word can contain 8 bits. So how many input lines it will be required? Address input lines. 32 is nothing but, what is the 32? 2 power 5.
5.
So here we will use one decoder, that is 5 by 32 decoder. You have to pass here k address lines. K address lines for 32. So 5 by 32 decoder. So here you have to pass the k address lines, that is 5 input line address lines. So it will produce us the 32 words and it will produce us the 32 words. So see here A 2 power k by n ROM will have an k by 32 decoder and n OR gates. The OR gates are nothing but each word can contain 8 bits. So these are from A0 to A7 are the output lines. So for 32 words, it will require one 5 by 32 decoder. So 32 words, these are the inputs, 32 words, and we have to produce the output is nothing but 8 bits. That is the internal logic diagram for 32 by 8 ROM. So here we must and should specify the OR gate for each and every value, input value. So finally we got here output, that is the 8 bits. So here the 5 inputs are decoded. The 5 inputs are decoded by means of 32. So 5 inputs will produce as a 32 outputs. So each output of the decoder represents the one memory address. Each output of the decoder represents the one memory address. So here the outputs of the decoder, these are the outputs of the decoder, are connected to the outputs of the decoder are connected to the 8 OR gates. 8 OR gates. So each of the decoder, output of the decoder is connected to any one of the inputs. Each of the output decoder is connected to any one of the inputs. So here our inputs need will be connected to the OR gate. So since each OR gate has how many connections? 32 input connections. Each OR gate has 32 input connections and there are 8 OR gates. So the ROM contains how many internal connections are there? That each OR gate can contain 32 input connections. So how many OR gates are there? 8 OR gates. So 32 into 8, what is the value? 256 internal connections are there for this particular ROM structure. So that means in general 2 power k by n ROM. In general 2 power k by n ROM will have internal k by 2 power k decoder. So a problem statement ichna in general 2 power k by n ROM, that is 2 power k by n ROM is nothing but 2 power 5 ఇక్కడ ఏమవుతుంది 2 power 5 into 8 ROM. 2 power 5 into 8 ROM will have one decoder is there, internal decoder. What is that decoder? So 2 power 5, that is k value is nothing but 5. So 5 by 2 power k. So 2 power 5 is nothing but 32. So 5 by 32 decoder is there and n OR gates. That means here what value you have to specify, that will is nothing but OR gates. Here 8 is there. So 8 OR gates is required. So a ROM construct cheymanna in general 2 power k by n ROM will have an internal 5 by k by 2 power k decoder and n OR gates. So each OR gate has 2 power k inputs. That means here 2 power k is nothing but 32. So each OR gate has 2 power k inputs which are connected to the each of outputs of the decoder. So how many totally internal connections for this ROM structure means 32 by 8. So therefore 256 internal connections are there. So here some intersection values points are there, so we will treat it as cross points. So each and every input at and connected to that particular or get some cross sections are there, so these points is nothing but cross sections. So here we have to indicate that particular value. If it is 1 means the value is there, if it is 0 means the value is not connected in this circuit. So see this example. So I already told you, intersection between two lines is sometimes called a cross point. Intersection between two lines is sometimes called a cross point. So this is the truth table. These are the input values and these are the output values. Inputs are I0, I1, I2, I3, I4. So these values are from 0 to 31. అంటే binary values, దాని equivalent binary values 0 to 31. So this is the 011 letter 000 up to 0 to 31 binary equivalent numbers. These are the inputs and outputs. Outputs your wish. You have to place any values here. That is either any values means not in the 2 or 3. So 1 0 combinations. So మీరు ఏ values అన్న place చేసుకోవచ్చు. That is up to your wish. But inputs are from 0 to 31 means then binary equivalent they have input values and outputs you have to take 100 or 10011. You have to take any combination for ones and zeros are the output. So finally, from this truth table, we have to draw the logic diagram, that is programming that ROM can contains the logic diagram for that 32 by 8 ROM. So see here, in this 0 means no connection, 1 means connection. 0 means no connection and 1 means connection. We have to take, for example, address 3. So these are the input lines, right? So these are the input lines. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 31 means these are the input lines. We have to take the 3 value. So 3 value, what is there here? 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. This means here I will make a link, a fuse link. That means if it is 1 there means we have to give that link. If it is 0 means no need to give that link. So here 1 also there I will give the connection. Here 1 also there I will give the connection. Here 0 there is no connection. Here 0 there is no connection. Here 1 it is a connection and 0 there is a no connection. So at finally we got the output. Address 3 is selected, that is 10110010. Is it clear? What is the ROM connection? Is there is any doubts regarding ROM structure? అంటే ఇక్కడ మీకు తెలియాల్సింది 32/8 ROM అంటే how many inputs? 32 inputs. How many outputs? 8 outputs. So here ఆ 32ని మనం కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఒక ఇంటర్నల్ డీకోడర్ రావాలి. సో 32 రావాలి అంటే వాట్ ఈస్ ద టైప్ ఆఫ్ డీకోడర్ మీన్స్ k by 2 power k, that is 5 by 2 power 5. సో హియర్ ఈ 32 అవుట్పుట్స్ ని ఇన్పుట్స్ గా కనెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నాం అండ్ ఏదో ఒక వాల్యూ తీసుకొని యూ హ్యావ్ టు డ్రా దట్ ఫ్యూజ్ లింక్స్. సో ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ 1 means it will be connected, if it is 0 means it will not be connected. So and you have to construct that value. Is it put 0 తీసుకోండి for example. What is the 0 value here? We will give the 10110110. See here, 1 connection is there, 0 connection is not there, 1 connection, 1 connection, but 0 is not connection, 110. Here see this 000111101. So see here 001101. So here also. So here in combinational circuit implementation, what is the internal operation of a ROM can be interpreted in two ways. In two ways. What the internal operation of a RAM can be interpreted in two ways. So the first interpretation is that a memory unit that contain a fixed pattern of stored words. That a memory unit can contain a fixed pattern of stored words. And the next one, second interpretation, is that a unit which implements a combinational circuit. So the internal operation of a ROM can be interpreted in two ways. So the first one is a fixed pattern of stored words, and the second one is you have to implement it by using the combinational circuit. So we have already discussed how to consider as a combinational circuit in previous days. This is a combinational circuit. So already you know how to implement the combinational circuit with 8 outputs. So here each being a function of the 5 input variable. So here in this and here 5 input variable, that is I4, I3, I2, I1, I0. So ఇక్కడ two interpretations అంటున్నాం. One is you have to implement the combinational circuit. Another one is you have to fix the pattern of stored word. So ఏ స్టోర్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నారు. For example, here we have to take output as A7. In that you have to connect it 0, 2, 3 and so on 29. So for this you have to construct the from these two combinational circuits. This means how you have to connect it. So only you have to draw from this combinational circuit. So see here A7. A7 is nothing but sum of minterms. That is, what is the connection of A7? See here 0, 2, 3, 29. What are the values for A7 will be connected output A7? What are the values? 0, 2, 3, 29. See here 0, 2, 3, 29. Whereas you have to take A6. What is the A6 output? 2, 29, 30. 2, 29, 30. Whereas A5, 0, 3, 29, 31. Whereas A4, 0, 1, 3, 31. Whereas A3, 1, 28 and 30. Whereas A2, 0, 1, 2. A1, 0, 3, 29, 30, sorry, 30, 29, 30, 31. A0, so 1, 2, 28, 31. Like this, you have to give the combinational circuit, may be considered as a combinational circuit with 8 outputs, each being an input function of 5 input, and we get the output for the sum of minterms in the form of sum of minterms. This is the internal operation of a ROM, can be interpreted in two ways. The first one is memory unit that consists of fixed pattern of stored words, and later you have to implement the combinational. Second one is implemented by using the combinational circuit. So a unit which implements a combinational circuit. So from this point of view, the output terminal is considered separately. So here the output of sums is connected as separately by using the minterms of these cross point connections. So is it clear how to express the output from each and every output from A0 to A7? So A7 can be represented in the form of A7 is nothing but the inputs are I0, I1, I2, I3, I4 and output connections are at 0, 2, 3 and 29. Is it example? Design a combinational circuit using a ROM. Sometimes like this only ask the question. Design a combinational circuit using a ROM. The circuit accepts 3-bit number and generates an output binary number equal to the square of the input number. Square of the input number. So here how many inputs are there? 3 inputs. So that means A0, A1, A2. A0, A1, A2. Sorry, here A2. No. Here A2. So I already told you. So if there are, listen carefully. In general, 2 power k by n ROM will have 2 power k by n ROM. That means 2 power k. K is nothing but what is the k value here? K input address. What is the k? 3. Right. So 2 power k by n. So 2 power k by n ROM it will be required. That means 2 power k. What is the 2 power k value? 6 by n. So n is nothing but we have to describe here the n value is so each each output is required for the value is nothing but 4. And each word can contain 4-bit representation. Each word can contain 4-bit representation. Here, how many outputs is generated means the square of the input number. So here 2 power 3 that is nothing but 2 into 2 into sorry. What is that? So 2 into 3 and then is 6. So here we will require the B0 to B5. So output binary number is equal to the square of the input number. So square of the input number is nothing but so B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Totally 6 outputs. And here we have to given some values. That binary value is equivalent to his decimal value. So from this truth table, you have to construct the combinational circuit for this. So here there is no combinational circuit. So directly truth table. So here in this truth table, so which decoder will be required? So what is the ROM structure means 8 by 4. What is the ROM structure here? 8 by 4. 8 by 4 and it will generate the outputs here 6 outputs. So 8 by 4 ROM, how it will be mentioned? So I already told you there are in general 2 power k by n ROM, that is here 8 by 4 ROM. 8 by 4 ROM means 8 inputs and 4 and each word can consist 4 bits. Each word can contain 4 bits. So what is the internal decoder for this? K by 2 power k. K by 2 power k decoder. So directly I will give here a ROM structure. But what is the internal decoder for k by 2 power k decoder? So k by 2 power k decoder means 3 by 2 power 3, that is 8. So 3 by 8 decoder required for 8 by 4 ROM implementation. So here I am giving only a ROM structure, that is block diagram structure. I already, this is the ROM structure. Directly our ROM structure in the 2 power k by n. That means 2 power k is nothing but 2 power 3, and here each word can consist of 4 bits, that is nothing but n. So that is 8 by 4 ROM. Here 8 by 4 ROM. So and see here 8 by 4 ROM is there, and these are the outputs 0 0 0 and 0 0 0 0 0. These are the your wish values. Here in this block diagram, there are only out of 6 outputs, only 4 outputs are there. Why? Remaining 2, why we will not use? Already our example is 3-bit number and generates output number equal to the square of the input number, and totally 6 outputs are there. From these 6 outputs, we will connect only 4 outputs. Remaining 2 input outputs are not connected. Why? Because of A0 is similar to B0. So B0 is similar to the A0. See here 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Here also 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So there is no need to connect. Directly A0 and B0 values are same. And here see B1 all are 0. So there is no need to give the output connection. So B0, B1 is all or 0. So we have to simply put as 0. And here it will require only 4 outputs, that is B2, B3, B4, B5. So from this diagram, we have to remove B0 and B1. Remove చేసిన తర్వాత we have to place B2, B3, B4, B5 values. This is the ROM truth table, that is ROM implementation. Is it clear? ఇక్కడ మనము ఓన్లీ రామ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుందని చూసామండి. ఇక్కడ డిజైన్ కాంబినేషన్ సర్క్యూట్ యూజింగ్ రామ్. ద సర్క్యూట్ యాక్సెప్ట్స్ 3 ఇన్పుట్ నంబర్, 3-bit input number, and outputs binary number are equal to the square of the input number. So the finally values are, we will get like this. So here it will specify the need for programming the RAM. It will specify the need for programming RAM. And here it shows the required connections of the combinational circuit. So we have to draw the combinational circuit in this way. So this is a compulsory. That is specifies the information, sorry, shows the required connections of the combinational circuit. By this way we have to ROM implementation for 3 inputs and binary, that is output is nothing but binary number equal to the square of the input number. Binary number is equal to the square of the input number. So this way we have to represent. So here output shouldn't, binary number is equal to the square of the input number. ఇది అర్థమైందండి. 0 means 0 square 0. 1 means 1 square is nothing but 1. And 2 square is nothing but 4. 3 square is nothing but 9. 4 square is nothing but 16. The 16 binary bit representation. And 4 square means 16. 5 square means 25. Next 6 square is nothing but 36. And 7 square is nothing but 49. So దానికి equivalent binary outputs అండి ఇక్కడ. Is it clear or not? Hello, how we will get the outputs here? So here the circuit accepts 3-bit input number. This is A0, A1, A2 and generates an output number, then generates the output number. What it will be generates? Output number means equal to the square of the equal to the square of the binary input number. What is the binary input number here? Then is square chain. That means 0 means 0 square 0. Here 1. 1 square means 1. So problem statement ఇచ్చినప్పుడు here we have to give the 3 inputs. So problem statement it generates an output binary number equal to the square of the input number. That means this is the input. So 0 square means 0. 1 means 1 square 1. 2 means 2 square 4. And 3 means 3 square 9. So దాని ఈక్వివాలెంట్ కూడా ఇక్కడ వేస్తున్నాం చూడండి. దట్ ఈస్ డెసిమల్ ఈక్వివాలెంట్ వాల్యూస్. సో దీన్ని బేస్ చేసుకొని మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? యూ హ్యావ్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ హియర్ 8/4 RAM. సో మనకు ROM స్ట్రక్చర్ ఏమో k input address lines ఇస్తే it will be generate 2 power k. And here అక్కడ 6 outputs ఉన్నాయి కదా. Why will give here 4 only? N is nothing but here 4. Why instead of 6 you have to replace with 4 means already told you. By this output structure, B0 is always same as A0. So there is no need to give that connection. Why? Because here A0 value pass చేస్తూనే ఉంటాం. And B0 same అయినప్పుడు అది అవసరం లేదు. Next here B1. So B1 is always 0. So there is no need to give that connection B1. And only finally 4 outputs only. That is B2, B3, B4, B5. So this is the truth table. We have to, after removing the B0, B1 values, B2, B3, B4,